So we're going to be filling up some water there. And as you see, we've already done a hypothesis. Taylor's already done it. She tried to imagine what would happen to these items if they're soaked in water, whether they'd sink, they'd float, or they'd sink and then come up again. And now she's gonna do the actual experiment and record what she sees. So we'll head on to the experiment. Hey everyone, so finally we've got our recording sheet, and as you can see there are quite a few differences compared to the hypothesis that Taylor made before she did the experiment. So before doing the experiment she thought that the cork would sink, but instead after the experiment she realized that it floated. The apple, she got that right, the shell as well, the paper clip too, the coin too, the Play-Doh she got right, these are the rocks, she got that right. The screw, she got that right too. The leaf she thought that it would sink, instead it floated. The feather as well, she thought that it would sink, instead it floated. And the sponge as well, she thought that it would sink, but it floated. She got the eraser and the button right. The bowl, she thought that it would float, and it did float. The rubber band, she thought that it would float, but actually it sank. And the key, she thought that it would float, but actually it sank. The pencils, she got those right. The cotton balls, she thought that it would float, but actually when she did the experiment, if you remember, there were two parts, one where it first floated and the other one where it sank. So that's why she put that there. The Play-Doh, she thought that it would float, instead it sank. So what's left? The Lego blocks, she got that right. The egg, she thought that it was gonna float and then sink, but instead when she did the experiment she saw that it sank immediately. So these are the results. We hope you enjoyed this experiment of ours. Do stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.